Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform and academy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. कैसे हो सारे? How is the board preparation going on? Already 2 days onwards, we are doing the Telegram test series. Along with that, I am doing with the Super 30. Super 30 important repeated numericals which are there. That is another set I am doing. So, if you have not watched, just watch from today onwards. You will find in the description box all the details. Question bank series I have done. Make your own question bank. So many questions like question bank only so many questions we have discussed. उसका भी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. पूरा प्लेलिस्ट है. ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज भी मैंने किया. So सारे objectives, different types of objectives we have discussed. That also in the description box you will find the links. Okay, so just go for it. अभी सुपर 30 का सीरीज चल रहा है. इट इज अब 6 पार्ट्स वेयर 6 क्वेश्चंस, 5 पार्ट्स, 6 क्वेश्चंस which we are doing. So all the most important numericals which repeatedly board is asking. So few are easy, few are difficult, but in a detailed manner I am discussing. So hello my dear scholars, I am G Vijay Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manu Vedam 7472. And in the Unacademy app, go to my profile Vijaya Manorama and just follow me there so that you will get all the notifications, all the updates, so that you can just attend all my classes and enhance your knowledge. Okay, so here it is a super short introduction about me. So let's crack 10 CBSE by using the referral code VMCBSE. VMCBSE यूज करो, सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो और अपनी पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी तरह से शुरू कर लो. So here it is a super short introduction about me. Okay. So crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform by taking the Plus subscription so that you can access all the unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. इसके लिए आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन लेने की जरूरत है. What are the benefits? That I am going to tell you. Just follow me. जितने भी नए बच्चे हैं एक बार फॉलो करो. एक बार क्या है वो ऐप, इंस्टॉल द अकेडमी लर्निंग ऐप एंड जस्ट गो फॉर इट. यू आर गोइंग टू like it like anything. Okay, so daily live classes, you have structured courses, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access with one subscription all the subjects. So when you are applying my code, I'll give you a 10% of instant reduction as a gift. Then 1 month course will be of 2250 rupees. 6 months plan will be of 9000 rupees. 12 months plan will be of 13,500 rupees. 24 months plan will be of 22,500 rupees. 36 months plan will be of 28,800 rupees. Okay, so already special classes you people are attending as free in the app. So now it's time to gear up your studies with a serious note. So that is live classes with all the India's best of the best educators. These are few of the best educators who are going to teach you the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. We are in touch with the Telegram app also, Quest and CBSE. Only you have to just download the Telegram app, type the link in the URL and you can just get all the updates of all the teachers. आपको अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप इंस्टॉल करना है. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद CBSE क्लास 10 गोल करना है. गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन बाय यूजिंग द रेफरल कोड VMCBSE. ओके, तो आ जा जल्दी. अभी सुपर 30 पार्ट 3 हम कर रहे हैं. ऑलरेडी पार्ट 1 and 2 are there. Okay, you just follow all the important questions, important numericals we are discussing in the super 30. Super 30 means 30 important numericals we are solving. Okay, most important numericals of physics, that is super 30 questions you are going to solve. Tiny series, बड़ा बड़ा लंबा लंबा सेशन अगर बनाएंगे तो कोई नहीं सुनेंगे, आप लोग प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं करोगे. तो मुझे लगा कि 6 क्वेश्चंस, 6 क्वेश्चंस आई एम टेकिंग फॉर 5 days. 1 वीक में आपको पूरे जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है वो पूरा खत्म हो सकता है. तो एक टेस्ट भी कंडक्ट कर लेंगे। इसका एक टेस्ट भी अगर मैं कंडक्ट करूंगी तो आप लोग देखते हैं कितना आपने सीखा सुपर 30 सीरीज से। ओके, सो नाउ कम टू द, हाँ मैंने ये सब नहीं निकाला क्योंकि जितने भी कल का अगर मिस हो गया तो एक बार देख लो, ये सारे हैं क्वेश्चंस। अगर आपने नहीं देखा सीरीज, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप एक बार सॉल्व कर लो, देख के स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना, वीडियो को पॉज करके सॉल्व कर लो अगर हो सके तो। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस मैंने कल डिस्कस किया था, यहाँ तक डिस्कस किया था, 6 क्वेश्चंस हो गए ना। अभी यहाँ से मैं डिस्कस करूंगी। So state the factor on which the resistance of a cylindrical conductor depends. Okay. Solution. Okay. State the factors on which resistance of a cylindrical conductor depend. Resistance of a cylindrical conductor is directly proportional to length. Resistance of a cylindrical conductor is inversely proportional to area. Okay. So आप इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? These all in the form of sentences you need to write. Okay, L by A. But what is same? Volume is same. Okay, volume is same here. Because how will the resistance of a conductor change if it is stretched so that its length is doubled? Volume के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा गया है. Length is doubled. If it is stretched so that length is doubled. वही है question. So volume is straight, length stretched to twice. Okay, so that its length is double. Length कितना हुआ? Double than the first one. So L1 equal to 2L1, L2 equal to 2L1. Okay, L2 क्या हुआ? 2L1 हो गया. So what is volume? V1 equal to V2. What is volume? Length into area. Okay, so length into area, L1 A1 equal to L2 A2. ये L1 L2 कैंसिल हो गया, A1 बाय, हाँ और यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी, देखो L1 A1 V2, L2 कितना है? 2L1 A2 है कि नहीं? L1 A1 इक्वल टू L2. ओके, तो अभी समझ में आ गया. L2 इक्वल टू 2L1. तो L1, ये L1 कैंसिल हो गया, इक्वल टू A1 इक्वल टू 2A2. तो A1 बाई A2 इक्वल टू 2. ओके, तो अभी रेजिस्टेंस क्या है पहला वाला का? R1 इक्वल टू रो L1 बाई A1. ओके, R2 इक्वल टू रो L2 बाई A2. लेकिन इसका वैल्यू क्या है? रो 2L1 बाई A2 है कि नहीं? तो नाउ टेक द रेशियो ऑफ R2 बाई R1, है कि नहीं? 2 wires you have taken, volume is same, L1 to L1. Okay, okay, R2 by R1 equal to, substitute the values of R1 and R2. क्या होगा? रो L1 रो L2 A2 सब कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, तो 2 into A1 by A2 that will be remaining. So 2 into A2 by A1, सॉरी A1 by A2 का वैल्यू कितना है? 2. So 2 equal to 4. So R2 equal to 4 R1. So how will resistance of a length change if it is stretched so that its length is double? Resistance 2 will be 4 times R1. Okay, second वाला resistance हो जाएगा 4 times of the R1. This is the answer. Okay, नहीं समझ में आया तो चैट बॉक्स में लिखो, कल फिर से मैं एक बार सॉल्व करूंगी, बताऊंगी आपको। ओके, अभी ये वाला देखो, थोड़ा सा बड़ा बड़ा क्वेश्चन आ रहा, अभी छोटे छोटे से बड़े बड़े जा रहे हैं अभी। तो B1, वेट, ये हो गया आपका 13th क्वेश्चन। ओके, ये हो गया आपका 14th क्वेश्चन। ओके, B1, B2, B3 are three identical bulbs connected as shown in the figure. When all the three bulbs glow, a current of 3 amperes is recorded by the ammeter A. What happens to the glow of the other two bulbs when the bulb B1 gets fused? What happens to the reading of A1, A2, A3 and A when the bulb B1 gets fused? ये वाला CBSE 2010 का क्वेश्चन है जो दिया हुआ है। The other two bulbs will glow even if B1 gets fused. If B1 is fused also, okay, other two bulbs will glow. These two will glow. Okay, these two will glow if it is fused also. So there is no change in the glow of B1 and B2. Okay, so now there is V is equal to V कितना दिया हुआ है 4.5. It is 4.5 volts. Okay, 4.5 volts. I is 3 amperes. R equal to V by I. Okay, I is 3 amperes given now. So equal to 4.5 by 3 equal to 1.5 ohms. Okay, and for parallel, R1, R2, R3 are in parallel. 1 by Rp equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 equal to 1 by 1.5 R, which is in parallel. Okay, equal to 3 by R equal to 4.5 volts. Okay, so V is equal to IR. I is equal to R is 1.5, R is 4.5, and I also, I you need to find. R is R, you get 4.5 here. So V is equal to IR. R is 4.5. V is 4.5. I is equal to V by R equal to 4.5 by 4.5 equal to 1 ampere. Okay, 1 ampere for B2, I equal to 1 ampere. Okay, for B3 also I is equal to 1 ampere. Okay, so ammeter reading, I in current in ammeter, if you see, how much you will get? Current in ammeter 1 plus 1 equal to 2 amperes. Okay, 2 amperes is the answer. एक बार बताते हैं। तो B1, B2, B3 are three identical bulbs connected as shown in the figure. 3 connected in parallel. When all the three bulbs glow, a current of 3 amperes is recorded by the ammeter A. Okay, what happens to the glow of the other two bulbs when the bulb B1 get fused? B1 if it is get fused, both will glow. So A answer हो गया. What will happen to the reading A1, A2, A3 and A when the bulb B1 gets fused. अगर ये fuse हो गया तो क्या होगा इन दोनों का? So V is 4.5. Okay, I is 3 amperes. It is given. So R they are in parallel. V by I. RP this you need to find out first. Okay. So this you need to find out first. इसको first find out करने से आपको यहाँ R का value आएगा 1.5. Okay, RP R which is in parallel that you will get this one. This you will solve first. इसको solve करने के बाद इसको solve करना है. Okay. Okay, here I am solving. RP equal to V by I. RP कितना है? 4.5 we got. I how much? 4. Sorry. I is 3. 3 volts it is given. So 1.5 ohms. Okay. So yeah, V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. So then 1 amperes of current to this also. For B2 also 1 amperes of current, and for B3 also 1 amperes of current you will get. 1 amperes. Here also I is equal to 1 ampere. So total current will be 2 amperes. It is the answer. Okay, next, an electric appliance draws a current of 0.4 amperes. 0.4 amperes when the voltage is 200 volts. Okay, calculate the amount of charge flowing through it in 1 hour. Very easy question. Q is equal to 1. Q is equal to IT. Okay. Q is equal to IT. I is equal to 0.4 amperes. V equal to 200 volts. T equal to 1 hour. It is 3600 seconds. Q is equal to 0.4 into 3600, 10 1440 coulomb. Okay, this is only the answer. Show how would you join 3 resistors, each of the resistance 9 ohm, so that the equivalent resistance of the combination is 13.5. So ये दो करना है, 2 different varieties of combinations we have to draw. One is with 3 9 ohms resistors, how we will connect, that is only the question, no? So as a we will take one in series, other two one parallel. Okay, R1 equal to 9 ohms, R2 equal to 9 ohms, R3 equal to 9 ohms. Okay, so they are connected in one is series, second is parallel. So R2 and R3 are in parallel. 1 by RP equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 equal to 2 by 9. RP equal to 9 by 2 ohms. Okay, now R1 and RP are in series. Okay, 9 plus 9 by 2 equal to 27 by 2 ohms you will get. Okay, so R equivalent is 13.5 ohms. Got it, the first one. Now the second one. Now the second one, how you will get it? To get 6 ohms. So now I am going to connect them in like this. I can connect or not? Go for it like this. To get 6 ohms, R1 and R2 are in series. Okay, R1 plus R2 are in series. 9 plus 9 equal to 18. So this RS plus R3 parallel. So 1 by RP equal to 1 by 18 plus 1 by 9 equal to 3 by 18. So Rp equal to 6 ohms. Got it? Got it? Solve it 2-3 times. You solve. If you get confused, ask me. I'll tell you again. Okay, so write the Joule's law of heating. You have to write when I is passed through the resistor R, and in resistor R for time t, heat is produced. Okay, what is this? When current I is passed in resistance R in time t, heat produced. Okay, so H is equal to I square RT. Okay, now the second one, when two bulbs 100 watts 220 volts, 60 watts 220 volts. Okay, find out the current drawn. I1 equal to P1 by V equal to 100 by 220 volts equal to 5 by 11 equal to 0.45 amperes. I2 equal to P2 by V 60 by 220 volts, 3 by 11 0.27 amperes. Okay, 0.45 and 0.27. Solve it. This is the very important question, repeatedly generally they give. This is the graph which you need to draw. This is the 18th question which we are solving. This is the 17th question which we have solved. 16th, 15th, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, very easy question. PI graph, volts is 10 volts, it is given. Just go through with the question clearly. When V is 10 volts, R you need to find. R is from 8 minus 6. Here you see shown in the figure. I in amperes corresponding to 4 different values of in volts 2, 4, 6, 8. Find the value of current for volts 10 volts. Okay, how can we determine the resistance of the resistor from the graph? R you need to find. Okay, so here any values you can take, any value if you take also. Suppose 3 values you take here, 4 to 2, 8 to 4. I am taking 2 values only. R is equal to V by I. V is 8 minus 6 by, okay, 4 minus 3 equal to 2 by 1 equal to 2 ohms. Okay, V is 10 volts. 10 volts. V is equal to IR. How much of current if you want to find out V by R? V is 10 volts. R is 2 is equal to 5 amperes is the current. Okay, V is 10 volts. I is 5 amperes. R is ohms. You have to draw the same graph again and you need to find out. You can go with 8 minus 4, 4 minus 2. Any way you can do, you will get the 2 ohms only. Resistance will be 2 ohms only. Hope you liked the session. लाइक करने में कंजूसी मत दिखाना. सब कोई लाइक करो सेशन को. 18 क्वेश्चंस टिल नाउ वी हैव सॉल्व. आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट अ टेस्ट ऑन दिस. ओके, अनअकैडमी ऐप आप लोगों ने इंस्टॉल किया. अभी आपकी बारी है वीएम सीबीएसई यूज करने की. वीएम सीबीएसई यूज करो. ये सारे बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑप्शंस हैं. गो फॉर इट. बेस्ट. थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल. 2 PM, 5 PM, 7 PM मिलते हैं कहाँ? ऐप पर, अनअकैडमी ऐप पर. ऑल ऑफ यू जस्ट लाइक द सेशन, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एज मच एज यू कैन. लेट्स क्रैक 9th and 10th CBSE को सब्सक्राइब करो. हिट द बेल आइकॉन फॉर ऑल द अपडेट्स. ऑल ऑफ यू गो टू माई प्रोफाइल इन द अनअकैडमी ऐप, Vijaya Manorama Govindu. Follow me there, you will get all the updates. Watch all my videos, enhance your knowledge. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में सारा प्लेलिस्ट है, जस्ट गो फॉर इट। थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल।